Hi guys, my name is David from Riverside Hyundai, and today I'll be showing you your Dashcam settings. To access the Dashcam app, you scroll to the left, select Dashcam, confirm. Now, while you're using your Dashcam, you're able to record while driving, while parked, or you can have it record while it detects motion. You could also set driving events and parked events. You come over here. This is where you could look at the videos that you have saved on file. You click on the live, you can see every camera as it's currently live as well. Now we're going to click on parked events. We have no videos saved. This is where you access your Dashcam settings. So you're going to select the little star down here. Select the little tab on the left here. And this is where it tells you have up to 20 hours of recording time. Battery charge too. So here you could delete all your videos. So where you adjust your Dashcam settings as far as your SD card, which is located in your glove compartment, right in this storage area here. Display settings, so this is if you want to adjust the lighting to your camera. Event detection sensitivity, so this is when you have your car parked and you have your Dashcam on to detect any kind of motion. This is your sensitivity. So the best case scenario would be to setting 3, where it's not too sensitive. But if you're really paranoid about leaving your car parked and having someone approach your car that you don't want around, you hit it all the way to 5. So that means anything as far as, it might even start recording some grasshoppers, stuff like that, butterflies. Here's some more recording options. You could have it on while driving, on while parked, motion detection, driving events. So in this recording options, you have a few more features here. So this is if you want to show the time, everything is selected. The time that it was recorded, the speed that you were driving in, what gear you were in, if you had your turn signal on. For event detection sensitivity, everything is on, and your location of where the accident happened or the event happened, whatever happened, someone keyed your car, it'll tell you the time, the date, and location. That's accessible. The location is brought to you by BlueLink, which comes complimentary with the purchase of this vehicle. It's lifetime. Here's your audio recording, because it does record audio. Thank you guys for watching. Follow for more.